Hi, this is Dan Soy coming back to you again on my channel. Welcome and thanks a lot. I'm going to present vegan tomato sauce, homemade, with quinoa pasta. So I have plum tomatoes. You need whole ones. I have diced tomatoes. I have minced onion, bay leaves, parsley, oregano, basil. Then I also have the quinoa pasta, which is really healthy for you, and it's vegan. And I have garlic, and I'm also going to put mushrooms on the side. I already have them done. Right now, while we're making it, I have the quinoa pasta cooking. It's almost done. You have to basically cook it for 15 minutes. I'm going to use a large pan, and I got extra virgin olive oil, and that's my plate. So you're going to want to take some olive oil, throw it in your pan, make sure you coat it, and you can fire up the heat. You just heard that. You fire up the heat, then you're going to take some tomatoes. You're going to throw in all the plum tomatoes. You see how red they are? That's like perfect. That's perfectly red. And then you're going to take, and you need like at least 6 of them, but 8 is even better. Then you're going to take some diced tomatoes, throw it in there, and you're going to take onions and throw it in there. You're going to take some basil, then you're going to take some oregano. You can also hear it popping now, and then you're going to take some basil. I mean, yeah, some more basil in there. So you have regular basil and that. Then you can hear it cook. And while that's going on, you can throw some garlic in there. And then you could take anything you want and just start stirring it. You have to break this down for like 10 minutes. But you could see how like all those plum tomatoes are in there and they came together. This is actually homemade, and this is vegan. Be back. So we're back here again. The quinoa pasta is cooking. The mushrooms are still there. And we're going to break this down. You got to honestly cook this for a good 10 minutes. This is homemade spaghetti sauce. So, just keep stirring it. Look, all the reds. You see that garlic in there. You can see the olive oil. If you want, if you like it more marinara, you can add a little bit more olive oil, but everything is to taste. And with my recipes, I don't give you specifics. You basically just add what's good for you. So we're 3 minutes into this. The pasta's already done, and this just has to stir down. I'll be back in a couple minutes. So we're back. The sauce is basically done. You can see the garlic and everything. I already have plated the mushrooms and the quinoa pasta. So we're going to just take some sauce, and we're going to just put it on our pasta. You can tell that's homemade sauce and it's vegan. I left the plum tomatoes chunky if you like chunky sauce, but you can put as much sauce on there as you want.